Hey there, tech fans. Welcome to Tech TV. 1. Are your AirPods not working properly? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you how to repair your AirPods and get them working like new again. Let's dive in. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to join our community. Before we start repairing, let's troubleshoot the issue. Is one or both of your AirPods not working? Are they not charging or not connecting to your device? Identify the problem and we'll move on to the next step. Now, let's disassemble the AirPods. You'll need a small screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Be careful not to damage any internal components. Now, let's repair the issue. If your AirPods are not charging, check the charging case and the charging port for any debris or corrosion. Clean it out and try charging again. If the issue persists, you may need to replace the charging port or the battery. Now, Let's reassemble the AirPods. Make sure all the screws are securely tightened and the components are properly aligned. And that's it. Your AirPods should now be working properly. If you're still having issues, feel free to comment below and we'll try to help you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech-related content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.